Imagine a life without the constant weight of debt. No more sleepless nights worrying about bills. No more anxiety when the phone rings. This is the promise of financial freedom, and it's closer than you think. It's about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. It's about building a future where you make the decisions, not your creditors. Debt can feel like an insurmountable mountain. It can trap you, limit your choices, and steal your peace of mind. But there's hope. Millions have broken free from debt, and so can you. This isn't about quick fixes or magic solutions. It's about a journey of commitment, discipline, and a change in mindset. This journey starts with a single step, a decision to take control. It's about understanding your relationship with money, facing your financial reality, and committing to a plan. It's time to trade the chains of debt for the wings of financial freedom. Are you ready to break free? The first step to conquering any challenge is acknowledging its existence. Ignoring debt won't make it disappear. In fact, it can make things worse. The longer you wait, the more interest accumulates, digging you deeper into the hole. Start by taking an honest inventory of your finances. List out all your debts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, everything. Write down the outstanding balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. It might be scary at first, but facing the numbers head-on is crucial. This exercise is not about dwelling on past mistakes. It's about gaining clarity. It's about understanding the scope of the challenge and setting the stage for your journey to financial freedom. It's about taking that first empowering step towards control. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people have faced similar challenges and emerged victorious. This is your wake-up call, your opportunity to turn things around. Take a deep breath, embrace the reality, and get ready to fight back. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your money and directing it towards your goals. It's the roadmap to your financial freedom. Start by tracking your expenses. Where is your money going each month? Be detailed. Categorize everything: housing, food, transportation, entertainment. You'll likely find areas where you can cut back. Next, create a realistic spending plan. Allocate every dollar of purpose: bills, debt repayment, savings, and even fun money. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about conscious spending. Sticking to a budget requires discipline and commitment. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the peace of mind knowing where your money is going and that you're on track to achieve your goals. That's the power of a budget. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum and size as it goes. That's the power of the debt snowball method. It's about tackling your debts one at a time, building momentum as you go. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest is cleared, roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt, and so on. This method isn't just about math, it's about psychology. Each debt you conquer is a victory, fueling your motivation to keep going. As the snowball grows, so does your confidence and determination. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, celebrate your wins, and watch as the debt mountain shrinks with each passing month. Frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about being intentional with your spending. It's about finding joy in simple pleasures and maximizing the value of every dollar. It's about breaking free from the consumerist trap and living a life of purpose, not possessions. Challenge yourself to find creative ways to save money. Cook more meals at home instead of eating out. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options. Negotiate better rates for services like insurance or cell phone plans. Embrace the art of thrifting and finding treasures at discounted prices. The money you save through frugal living becomes a powerful weapon in your fight against debt. It allows you to make larger debt payments, accelerate your progress, and reach financial freedom faster. It's about making choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Remember, frugality is not a punishment, it's a liberation. It's about freeing yourself from the chains of consumerism and embracing a life of intentionality and financial empowerment. It's about discovering that true wealth lies not in what you own, but in the freedom you create. Imagine having an extra stream of income, a financial booster propelling you towards your debt-free life. That's the power of side hustles. They provide additional resources to accelerate your debt repayment and reach your goals faster. Explore your skills and interests. What services can you offer? Can you freelance, tutor, or teach? Can you monetize a hobby like crafting, photography, or writing? The gig economy offers endless possibilities to generate extra income. Evenings and weekends become opportunities to build your financial future, not just time spent relaxing. This hustle isn't about overworking yourself, it's about taking control of your financial destiny. Every extra dollar earned is a step closer to freedom. Remember, side hustles are not forever. They are a temporary boost to help you reach your destination faster. Once you've achieved your debt-free goal, you can reevaluate and adjust your workload. Imagine having a knowledgeable guide, someone who understands the intricacies of finance and can provide personalized advice for your situation. That's the role of a financial counselor. They offer expert guidance, helping you navigate the complexities of debt management and create a solid plan for the future. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial counselors provide valuable insights on budgeting, debt consolidation, and negotiating with creditors. They can help you identify potential pitfalls and make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances. Think of it like seeking medical advice. You wouldn't hesitate to consult a doctor when facing health challenges. Similarly, financial counselors provide the expertise needed to navigate financial obstacles and achieve long-term financial health. Remember, seeking professional guidance is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It demonstrates your commitment to taking control of your finances and making informed decisions that will benefit your future. The strength of community. Finding support in shared experiences. Imagine a group of like-minded individuals, all striving towards financial freedom, sharing their struggles, celebrating victories, and offering encouragement along the way. That's the power of community support. Surrounding yourself with others on the same journey can make a world of difference. Online forums, support groups, and even local workshops provide platforms to connect, share experiences, and learn from one another. Knowing you're not alone in this fight can be incredibly empowering. Hearing stories of success can fuel your motivation, while sharing your own challenges can provide a sense of relief and validation. Together, you can celebrate milestones, overcome obstacles, and stay the course towards financial freedom. Remember, community support is not about comparing your journey to others. It's about finding strength in shared experiences, offering encouragement, and celebrating each other's successes. It's about knowing that you have a team behind you, cheering you on every step of the way. Celebrating milestones. Recognizing progress and staying motivated. Imagine reaching the summit of a mountain, the sense of accomplishment after a challenging climb. Your journey to financial freedom is filled with milestones worth celebrating. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Paid off a credit card? Reached a savings goal? Give yourself credit for the effort it took. These small victories fuel your motivation. Reward yourself within your budget. Enjoy a small treat or plan a fun activity. These celebrations keep you energized and focused. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a marathon. Acknowledge your accomplishments and maintain a positive mindset. Celebrating milestones reinforces your commitment to financial freedom. Maintaining financial health, a lifelong commitment. Imagine a life where financial worries fade into the background, replaced by peace of mind and the freedom to pursue your passions. This is the promise of maintaining long-term financial health. Achieving financial freedom is not a finish line, it's a starting point. It's about adopting healthy financial habits that become ingrained in your lifestyle. It's about making conscious spending choices, saving consistently, and planning for the future. Continue educating yourself about personal finance. Stay informed about investment opportunities, retirement planning, and strategies to protect your wealth. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. Remember, financial health is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing attention, adaptation, and a willingness to learn and grow. By embracing this lifelong commitment, you secure your financial future and create a legacy of financial well-being for yourself and your loved ones. Conclusion: embrace freedom, live your dreams. Imagine waking up each morning feeling in control of your finances, free from the burden of debt. This is the transformative power of financial freedom. Breaking free from debt is about reclaiming your life. It's about reducing stress and finding peace of mind. The rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions and spend quality time with loved ones. The path to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take it today. Like and share, then subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment on your way out.